What's up? It's Sierra coming back to you guys with another video of a wig that I recently purchased. The wig that I have on today is a bossy wig, and the style is M960 Twilight, and I have it in the color number 2. I do like this wig. I've been trying to wear the bang style lately. I did have another wig that I had bangs on, but it only paid $20 for it, and it was really cheap and it tangled up a lot. So I needed something that would not tingle. So this is a bob style wig. Of course, it comes with all the regular stuff, but I bought it from a local hair store and I paid $33 for it. And I'll show you the back or the side. Here's the back.
Struggling with depression or anxiety? Finding it hard to get through the day without using alcohol or drugs?
Wait, oh, I'm not in the video.
We have solutions that will help you
Now I'm in the video.
back
Here's
on
the
track.
back.
And what's more important, we can help you stay on track.
Back around.
It's a residential addiction facility that helps you or your loved one find the life you
I will say I do really like this wig. One thing I did not like about it when I first got it was when you get it, these parts right here are like curled right underneath your face. They're like just like this, like Susie Q curl, and it looks too wiggy. So this heat can take a flat iron. Where's my card? What did I do with it? Oh, on the card, it is safe heat styling for sure. So I just went in the bathroom and I just flat ironed it straight. Like not all the way straight, but straight enough. So it looks a whole lot better once you do that, because if you don't, it looks a mess to me. But so that's all I really have to say about this wig. I like it. I haven't worn it out anywhere yet, but I will be going somewhere tonight with it, so we'll see if I get any compliments. So I will be showing y'all a video of what it first looked like when it was curly like that, and then I'll show you pictures afterwards. So thanks guys for following. Subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment below. Thank you.
La